How to spot fake news. What is fake news? Fake news is not real. Someone is uploading fake news to make people share to other people in the internet. How do you spot fake news? Check the author. Let's search the author's name on the internet. Is the author real? Can you trust the author? Is it a joke? Is it a joke or not? If it is too strange, it might be a joke. For example, in the news, a politician has a pet alien. It's too strange, so it might be a joke. What shall we do next? Third, check the source. Let's test the original source, if it's real or fake. Ask the experts. Ask a librarian or an expert that is an adult. Before you think the fake news is real, consider with your brain. Think before you act. Before you push the share button, think the news is real or fake.